Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Adobe PDF Reader and we'll be getting the official link, and here itself it says it's a free PDF reader. Click it and here we will be having the download option. Before clicking that, just scroll down and here we are having included with your download. It says install Adobe Genuine Service and install McAfee Security Scan Plus. If you want both of these things to be included, you can just check this both and click on download. If you don't want, you can simply uncheck both of these and then select download Acrobat Reader. We'll be having the setup file, just open it. So this will take some time to download and install, just be patient till then. So once the installation is complete, you can just click on finish and we'll be getting this thank you note, and after that Adobe Acrobat Reader will be getting automatically opened like this. And after that every PDF will be by default opened in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so if I double click on a PDF, so as you can see it's getting opened in Adobe Acrobat. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.